Hello everyone, it's me again, and of course you know why I'm here. Tea Pompey. The Tea Pompey 50% discount promo is still on, and you still have a chance to get yourself a piece of land right now. All you have to do is pick up your phone, give them a call or WhatsApp, or send them a DM or visit their offices. Tea Pompey is here for you. Don't let this opportunity pass you.
If you think that I have money because of what I post online, because you see me chopping live, because you see me enjoying myself, and you think that I have money, you are doing yourself. I'm living fake life. I'm not trying to package myself. I'm not trying to rebrand myself. I'm just trying to reform myself. I don't have shishi. I don't have nado. I don't have shinga. You got it? You don't got it?